Namaskaram. I am Priya Karunakaran, associated with Srimati Priya Manoj Baradanjali as a dance teacher. A software developer by profession, I keep classical dance close to my heart and try to impart the knowledge which I have gathered over the years to our students here. I'm here to actually speak about few words on this new online platform, Bharadanjali's Natya Mandapa. Now, as we all know, COVID-19 has changed the way we perceive teaching and learning in all the streams. Now, here what we want to do is to utilize the digital edge to overcome this crisis. The primary agenda of this channel is to help the students to showcase their talent through the online platform. You can see the videos of our students who were with us at some point in time but had to leave our classes or even the country to pursue their higher education. Now the thing is that these videos will actually showcase just not only their dance, their talent to pick the right music to depict the idea which they want to express, decision on their attire, the makeup, the coordination if it is a group performance with their team members, and also synchronizing the adavus and abhinayas, and even the editing of these videos and putting it in one unit. So this brings out their holistic development which Srimati Priya Manoj always wanted to have her students develop, and not just the dance. Now in our days, in our generation, we used to learn from our gurus and we used to replicate exactly what our gurus used to perform. And the intention of the gurus were also the same, because the intention was to retain the dance form in its actual form, which they had inherited from their gurus. Nowadays, we all know that these classical dance forms are widely accepted and has been enjoyed by all the rasikas. So that is one of the reasons why the teachers are not limiting their students' boundaries, and in Srimati Priya Manoj's dance class, she always encourages the students to give their ideas. So this opportunity of choreographing the entire item by themselves is going to liberate their idea of, not a dancer need not be just a performer. There are different angles to look at it. Now, a performer by myself, I know that it's quite different from the way we perform in front of a live audience. The online platform is having its own advantages. Especially the current aged kids are exposed to the media from their younger age, and they are ready to take the opportunity to utilize it to the core. While having this idea, one of the things that came into my mind is, while doing this activity, the students will definitely on a longer run identify them probably not just as a performer. Not every kid is a performer, but they can be a choreographer, they can be a dance photographer, a videographer, an art director, and even editing and whatnot. At some point in time, they probably can add, these activities will add value to their resume as well when they are look out for a career in their lives. So this activity we think will make the performing arts stronger, and as well as empower the youth. We know that none of this is possible without the support of our parents, and we extend our gratitude towards them at this juncture. You will see more of the videos in coming days, and this is going to definitely encourage our junior students who are yet to get to that level where they can choreograph themselves. Please subscribe, give likes, and also share the YouTube videos, and so that our budding artists can grow from where they are now. Thank you.